Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you two wire mode operation in Shihlin SF series inverter. Okay, first I show you wiring for two wire mode operation: SD, STF, STR, forward, reverse, SD, common, 0 volt. This is two selector switch, forward run and reverse run, forward reverse. As per this wiring we have connect. Okay, I show you the wiring. Okay, here two switch, one forward, another one reverse. Common terminal connect with SD. This is common black wire, common in SD, forward STF and reverse STR. Okay, also I inform to you, for two wire mode operation, external mode we can change by this switch. PU mode keypad, but for two wire operation reverse forward from terminal need to select external. We can change by press PU switch external. Now we can show you forward running, motor is running, forward rotation, frequency off, motor is off. Now I show you reverse switch is on, motor is running, reverse rotation, frequency off. Okay, done. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.